Good job, Lena. Good job, Sammy. That's what I like, when you use it the way you're supposed to, in the proper fashion. Very nice. There she goes. Oopsie daisy. Careful. Oh no. Be careful, Lena. Yay, good job. Yay! Oh, good job. Now it's Sammy's turn. Whoopa! Good job.
Sit in the water, Lena.
Oop.
You want to sit inside the water? Oh no. Oh no.
No, don't bite it. You'll make a hole in it. Be very careful, Sammy. Avram, stop that. Avram, you're scaring her. Stop that. Well, Saba's not going to do it. Avram, move away from there, please. She doesn't like it. You're scaring her. Okay, now you can go play there. Okay, now he's not doing it anymore. You can go in the water if you want. Sammy, please be careful.
I like it.
Be careful, Lena. You're going to hurt yourself. Be very careful, please. Avram, watch her. Lena, you can't do that. You have to be big like Sammy in order to do that. Good, on your tummy. That's good. Stop to drop the camera. Alright, time to close.